Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 4-hour chart of GBPUSD, and GBPUSD just closed at the weekly support of 1.2047. Okay, this is the weekly support of GBPUSD. If you're wondering how is it a weekly support, let me show you. These are pivot lines or pivot lines, whatever you call it. Okay, let me remove the drawings here, and you can just see around 5 weeks ago the same level acted as support, and from there market bounced. Again, market came down. Market just closed last week at the same level, and the same weekly support is providing support to the market again. So just look at the magic of these lines. Okay, so now we are back to the normal chart, the regular 4 hours time frame. The reason behind showing the weekly chart is that the weekly level is that market closed at a very critical level. So the market opening for GBPUSD will be very important. So if market continues the fall, then instead of taking a sell position immediately, I think it's better or safer to look for some buy around 1.1966 to 1.1944 level, because whenever there is a very strong level in the market and we usually go for a sell position on those levels, okay, after some time we again see the market is entering inside the zone again. So it can be a false breakout or breakdown as well, especially on Monday, because usually on Monday we do not get to see much volatility in the market. If there's not much volatility, then usually there's a high chance of false breakout or breakdown. So as a result, it's better to wait for some time in case market breaks the current level and starts falling. Okay, if you have the experience, if you want to go for sell position, then that's a different chapter. You can take your own decision. But if you're a beginner, new trader, and you have very limited capital right now, you are not in a position to lose any money right now, in that case it's better to wait for you to come to the market around this level. If market comes and bounces, you can go for a buy position. And in my previous videos also, I have already mentioned that the strongest support on the chart of GBPUSD is around 1.1850 to 1.1840. Okay, in case GBPUSD shows extreme selling or surprises us with extreme sellings of big red candles, then 1.185040 is the level that will help us because of strong price rejection around this area. So we can hope that market will get the required support around these levels again. So on the chart of GBPUSD, nothing has changed. The two support levels are still very much present: 1.1966 to 1.1944, and secondly 1.1850 to 1.1840. My dear friends, keep in mind, no level is permanent in the market. When market come down to the level, observe the market first. Be a trader, not a gambler. Observe the market. If you see market taking support, then only go for a buy position. Okay. And on the other hand, if you see market going up, then yes, the resistance level of 1.2190, okay, that acted as resistance last time, is still the resistance for us. Maybe you may see 1.2188, 1.2185 or 95. Okay, but this particular zone is the resistance zone for the market. When market will go up, observe the market first. If you see market struggling around the area, if you see market forming shooting star kind of a pattern or showing price rejection from above, then only go for a sell position. My dear friend, this may be just an analysis for me, but it's your hard-earned money, so please get the confirmation. Okay, don't forget that. As I always say, capital protection should be your first priority always. And my dear friends, this is a 4-hour chart of DXY. As expected, DXY showing an upside after breaking the bullish flag here. And as we all know, Tuesday will be very important, because the whole market, Forex community, Forex world is waiting for the CPI on Tuesday. Tuesday is the Valentine's Day, the day of love, but for Forex traders, it will be I don't know, it will be a day of terror. Anyways, jokes apart, as of now, before the news, 103.95 or 104 is the next resistance for DXY. And hopefully market will not be showing any crazy moves before the news, because usually before a big event we get to see a silent market. Okay, so if market goes up also, okay, and there's a high chance that market will reverse from this level. Okay, and on the other hand, if market starts falling, then obviously 102.50, 2.60 is obviously present as the support for the market. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program. If you like my work and if you really want to take up your trading as a serious source of income, you can consider joining the Pro Trader program. In the Pro Trader program, we do many things. You can check out the link in the description. Okay, you'll see 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. What are the benefits that you will receive in the Pro Trader program? Apart from these benefits, I also conduct a monthly workshop. Already I have conducted the workshop for this month, but obviously you will get free access to the workshop, okay, if you are part of the Pro Trader program in the next month. Okay, so if you're interested, kindly go through the web page. The link is in the description. So this is all about GBPUSD. My dear friends, keep in mind, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. I'm just a trader like you, just a little bit more experience, but please follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care.